Hi all! Today, we will talk about the revolutionary function DALL-E 3, which allows us to change the generated images. Now you can add new elements, change colors, and much more in just a few seconds. To demonstrate this, let's start by creating an image in ChatGPT. Let's start by creating an image. After opening ChatGPT in the Made by OpenAI section, select Chat with Give Her as an example. I will write, realistic student in a red jacket looks at the camera. Once you have received the image, we need its unique identifier, or as it is also called, the image seed. This is the key to editing. Let's ask ChatGPT for a seed for our image. You need to write, what is the seed of image 1? Now comes the fun part, changing the image. Use the following prompt to make changes to your chosen image. Add an owl to the shoulder, modify image, yarn with seed 3664068995. Add an owl on the shoulder, DALL-E. 3 skillfully recognizes the image and makes the necessary changes in just a matter of seconds. Interesting fact, here you can also create similar images based on the downloaded example. Let's see how it works in practice. Select an image from the computer and do something similar. We get excellent results. I hope you enjoyed learning about its amazing image editing capabilities. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new videos. Also, leave your comments and share the video with your friends. Your support is very important to us. Thanks for watching and see you soon in new videos.